How's it? Work along to Business Garage. Getting pretty hot on these summer days. I just thought I'd show you a couple of little tips that I've learnt just recently and checked out they work, so I thought I'd share them with you. When you are rebuilding your mower and putting it together like I am at the moment, it's obviously nice to have things like shiny aluminium. So I thought I'd show you first of all how I make shiny aluminium. So that's what it looks like before you clean it. It's old, it's not looking particularly wonderful, it's not very shiny. That obviously looks a lot shiny and it's quite nice. So I've got a product here which I'm using, which is an Ultra Bright, a metal bright industrial cleaner. It's from Supreme Products. I think there's other different names for it, but this is what I get in Tauranga. So I dilute this down and put it into a spray bottle, and then all you have to do is spray it onto the aluminium. And then give it a bit of a scrub, bit of an agitation, give it a bit of scrub, and then put it into water, and it comes out pretty good. Now I do suggest that you wear gloves because this is an acid, and it's a bit nasty. You don't really want to get it on your skin or in your cuts because it stings like bilio. So all you have to do is get a bit of this, squirt it on. We'll do both sides at once. It's pretty pongy. It's better to use in a well ventilated area. And then all you have to do is you give it a bit of a scrub. Okay, and then we'll flip it over. And we'll do the same on this side. And we'll give it a bit of a scrub. You can actually see it already coming up a lot cleaner. Give it a bit of a scrub, and then I'm just going to chuck this into a bucket of water, which I happen to have right beside me here. And then it comes out, and all of a sudden it's sparkly clean. Now you can probably do it a couple of times. Let's do another go, just see if it comes up any cleaner. Usually that's all you need to do, is just give it a bit of a squirt, bit of a scrub, and it's really good for aluminium. It's awesome. It also will take rust off, so I've actually been using it on my bumpers and things that I've got to paint, and it brings up the steel nice and clean, and also takes light rust off as well. So it's quite a cool little product. Right, and then we'll just get that other put in the bath here. Yeah, so that comes up pretty clean and sparkly. Yeah, I reckon that's quite a good way to clean it. Not a lot of effort. You could obviously polish it from here with some Solvol or something rather, depending on how carried away you want to get. But to me, that looks pretty clean compared to. Another piece around here a second ago. What did I do with it? There we go. I mean, compared to that, it's quite a lot shinier. So, all right. So that's the first thing I was going to show you. So the second thing to have a look at today is the plastics on your mower. So the plastics here, obviously they get old and they look a bit nasty. So the best thing to do is, I discovered if you look down here, it looks quite different to what it does up here. So all you have to do is get yourself a heat gun, turn the heat gun on, and we'll just do this bit down here so you can sort of see. So it's a bit browny looking, not very good. Come in with the heat gun. And it gets to a certain temperature, all of a sudden it starts to go shiny. So you can see it's starting to go shiny there now. Keep the heat on it. And as we move it across, it goes shiny. Keep working on it. You don't want to get it too hot, you don't want to melt it. You want to get it hot enough so you're sort of just reinvigorating the outer layer, I think is probably the best way to say it. And you can see that colour changing on it. I'll just make sure that I've got it all hot enough. I'll take it up just to the edge here so you can see the difference in the colour. And turn it off. And when it dries off, you can see there's quite a difference between the stuff I've done and the stuff I haven't done. It just makes it look shiny and new, and then you can go over that with the Revive and it will make it look all blingy and nice and shiny, which I think is kind of important. Obviously it lowers the drag efficiency of your mower too, so it'll go faster in it as well. So as that shininess goes away, it ends up with a nice black clean finish, and then a bit of Revive or silicone on it. It makes it look 10 times better. So that was really all I wanted to share with you today. Just a quick little video. I am assembling my other mower, but we'll keep that under wraps until it's all finished painting and ready to go. So we'll have a reveal of that once it's all done. But until next time, Business Garage.